Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see the workbook fill-up for second semester, standard 7th Sanskrit, chapter number 2nd, Vartalapah. Now let us see all the exercise one by one. Exercise number first. For each of the given questions, choose the option that is its correct answer and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First, भावेशः कम अभिवादयति. So the answer is D. Chetanam. Second, कः भावेशं सत्करोति. Answer is B. तस्य भगिनी. Third, there is a dialogue between whom in the chapter Vartalapah. So the answer is C. Bhavesh and Chetana. Fourth, रुचिकरम अस्ति एतस्य संधि कुरुत. So the answer is A. Ruchikaram asti. Fifth, give the Sanskrit word for chapati. So the answer is C. Rotika. Now MCQ number 6th. Bhojane किं किम् अस्ति इति कः निवेदयति. So the answer is D. भावेशस्य भगिनी. 7. व्यजनम् इति शब्दस्य आङ्ग्लभाषायां कः अर्थः. So the answer is B. vegetable. 8 number. अवलेहम् इति शब्दस्य आङ्ग्लभाषायां कः अर्थः. So the answer is B. pickle. 9 number. तक्रम् इति शब्दस्य आङ्ग्लभाषायां कः अर्थः. So the answer is C. buttermilk. 10 number. भावेशः भोजनं कीदृशं वदति. So the answer is B. रुचिकरम्. 11 number. सिद्धम् एव सन्धि कुरुत. So the answer is A. सिद्धमेव. 12 number. Separate odd one out from the following word group. So the answer is B. Satikam. Now exercise number 2. Write the English meaning of the following Sanskrit word. First, lavanam means salt. Second, modakah means sweet ball. Third, siddham means is ready. And fourth, idanim means now. Question number 3. Write the Sanskrit meaning of the following English words. So first word is rise means odanam. Second is not mastu. Third is serve means pariveshayatu. Fourth is give dadatu. Fifth is thanks dhanyavad. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the chapter. First, namaskarah bhavesha blank. So the answer is agacchatu. Second, kimapi mastu blank bhojanam avashyakam. So the answer is idanim. Third, blank takram api avashyakam. So the answer is kischit. Fourth, ekam modakam api blank. So the answer is swikarotu. Fifth, blank api asti. So the answer is avaleha. Question number 5. Put a right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First, Chetna is Bhave's mother. Wrong. Second, Chetna welcomes Bhavesh with the word Namaskar. Right. Third, Bhojane modakah asti. Right. Fourth, Dhalam api ma swikarotu. Wrong. Fifth, Mama bhojanam samaptam. So the answer is right. Exercise number 6. Match the columns A and B correctly to make the complete sentence. And answers are like this. Bhojanam siddham eva asti. Second, asanam grahanam karotu. Third, idanim odanam dadatu. Now, exercise number 7. Answer each of the following question in one sentence in Sanskrit. First, answer is like this. Bhaveshah chetanayah namaskar shabdena abhivadanam karoti. Second, Chetana bhavesham namaskar shabdena sarvam kusalam va iti prashnena cha satkaroti. Third, Chetana bhojan vishe vadati yat bhojanam siddham eva asti. Fourth, bhojanam vyajanam rotika modakam avleham odanam dalam cha santi. Fifth, chayam coffee va etat vakya chetana vadati. Question number 8. Answer each of the following questions in one or two sentences in English. An answer of the first question is like this. Bhavesh says that nothing right now. Food is necessary. It is time for lunch. Answer of second question is like this. Bhavesh says that give as much as is needed. A little buttermilk is also needed. Third answer. Chetana says there is pickle as also it is necessary. Fourth question answer is like this. Bhavesh took vegetable, sweet balls, roti, buttermilk, rice and dal too for lunch. Fifth, Bhavesh says that the food is tasty or delicious. Exercise number 9. Translate the following passage into English. First is Bhavesh greeting Namaskar. Chetana greeting Namaskar. Come Bhavesh. Is everything fine? Bhavesh says everything is fine. Chetana says please sit down. Have water. Now second number translation. Bhavesh says no, let it be. Now give some rice. Chetana says take, have some dal too. Bhavesh says thank you. Chetana says you want anything else? So dear students, here our workbook fill up for this chapter is over. You may copy down all the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.